Light rain offered some relief to South Korean authorities tackling the country's worst wildfires on record. Exhausted firefighters making another push on Friday to contain massive blazes, which have stretched across 70 kilometers in the country's southeast. At least 28 people have lost their lives, and more than 45,000 hectares of forested land have been scorched or remain ablaze.
특히 지난밤에 내린 비로 연무가 적어져서 시야 확보가 유리하고 기온이 다른 날에 비해 낮아 산불 진화에 굉장히 유리한 상황입니다. 진화헬기와 진화인력을 집중 투입해서 총력을 기울일 계획입니다. 진화율은 85%입니다. 진화율은 어제 오후 대비 22% 증가하였습니다.
As of early Friday, authorities reported that 95% of the fires in Wiseong had been extinguished, while 85% of the flames in neighboring Andong City had been brought under control. Although light rainfall of less than 3 millimeters fell in some areas, officials say it provided only minimal assistance. The devastation has forced over 30,000 residents, many of them elderly, to evacuate. Authorities remain on high alert as efforts continue to fully contain the flames and prevent further destruction.